Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. If you've ever wanted to break into the tech industry but felt held back because you don't know how to code, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to start a profitable side hustle in tech without writing a single line of code. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's get started. First things first, you don't need to be a developer to be in tech. There are tons of roles and business ideas that don't require coding. Think about what you're already good at. Are you creative, great at organizing, love helping people? These traits can shape the type of tech side hustle you pursue. Here are a few side hustle ideas that are totally tech-based but require zero programming skills. Tech virtual assistant. Help startups and entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, social media, and research. UX/UI design. Use no-code tools like Figma to design websites and apps. Product management, oversee product development, coordinate teams, and manage timelines. Tech blogging or YouTube channel, share insights about tech trends, reviews, or tutorials. Affiliate marketing, promote SaaS tools and earn commissions without building your own app. No-code app building. Use platforms like Bubble, Glide, or Webflow to build apps or websites without writing code. To get started, you need to learn the right no-code tools. Here are a few to check out. Canva for design and content creation. Notion or Trello for task and project management. Zapier. Automate workflows without coding. Airtable supercharged spreadsheets for organizing data. Card or Webflow. Build websites with zero code. Spend a few hours each week learning one of these tools. There are free tutorials everywhere. YouTube, Skillshare, even TikTok. Now that you've picked an idea and a tool, here's how to actually launch your side hustle. Pick a niche. Don't be a generalist. Be the Notion expert for health coaches or the Figma designer for startup landing pages. Build a simple portfolio. Use a free site builder to showcase your skills and services. Start freelancing. Join platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Toptal, or reach out on LinkedIn. Network and learn. Join tech communities like Indie Hackers, Product Hunt, or Reddit forums. Stay consistent. Your first gig might not pay much, but it builds momentum. Stay consistent. Your first gig might not pay much, but it builds momentum. And that's how you start a side hustle in tech without touching a single line of code. The tech world is wide open for creative thinkers, organizers, and communicators. So don't let coding stop you from building something amazing. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of side hustle you're thinking about starting. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.